How you doing, everybody? It's John here again, and I am in downtown Chemainus, having a look around. This is the mural capital of Canada. It also has one of the professional theaters out here on the West Coast, the Chemainus Theater, home of some tremendous acting and wonderful performances. But we're going to take a look around. We're going to see some of the sights, and I'll take you for a little walk here. All right, well, let's go. All right, well, here's the first mural I came to. It's right where I parked the car. They had a lot of railway stuff around here. Because they used to ship a lot of logs. There's actually a logging museum just outside of Duncan, back on the highway as well. We're just gonna take a walk up here to Water Wheel Park. This is the library here, I think. All right, well, here is the Water Wheel Park. Nice to look at. That's really cool. I'm probably gonna have to stop and start here a couple of times, but that's pretty cool, eh? Look at this. Really cool, holy. All right, lots of old houses around here in Chemainus. Another old railroad-inspired mural. All right, I am at the far end of Willow Street here, checking out one of the murals on the wall. And there are a lot of them. Just check out some of these stores around here. Look at this, you got this Christmas store year-round and get all your Christmas doodads. Lots of places to check out. Remax, if you're looking to buy a place. Tattoo shop, gotta have a tattoo shop. Willow Street Cafe. Ooh, a British sweet store. Lots of little places to check out. Pretty old houses, lots of neat buildings. Check up that way too. Wow, that's a cool one. The ocean's just down over there. Rexall Drugstore. Another mural. Hence the name, the Mural Capital of Canada. Look how nice that is. Lots of neat little stores to go and check out, take a look at. Beautiful murals, so look at that. Ooh, ice cream. You need your ice cream. They're doing a little work on the old public market there. It's a nice old art gallery. We're just gonna take a cruise down here. Look at that. Beautiful murals, eh? Holy cow. And there's lots of them. The more you look, the more you're gonna see. Just walking down towards the Chemainus Museum here. Oh, there's another beautiful museum. Another beautiful mural there. There's the entrance to the ice cream shop, in case you're wondering. Gotta find those. Look at this. Really cool. Quote by Emily Carr up there. Squirrel. Oh, he's a fast little feller. That's the mill down there. You can see they're putting together a barge full of logs. You want to check out the museum, they got lots of cool displays, lots of stuff to find out about the Cowichan Valley. Oh, these right here are an arbutus tree. They naturally shed their outer bark and they go this really cool color. So if you see them, they're quite prevalent. Even on the side of the highway, you can see them. There's a map of all the stuff you want to see. If you want to go for a walking around here, lots to see. Beautiful flower gardens. Lots of First Nation inspired stuff here and there. And if you scoot straight down that way, you'll come to the old town. There's lots of galleries and museums and all kinds of little pieces, little places to go and check in. Right over here is a labyrinth. So all of that right there is labyrinth. So if you want to find your way through it, if you got some kiddos, they can see what they can do and figure it out. There's the water wheel again. All right, well, that's a little look at Chemainus. A limited look, I will admit, but hey, nice place to come and check out. Lots of art, lots of things to see. And like I say, there's an adventure out here for anybody. Hope to see you soon. Till the next time, have a good one.